In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A26 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Firstly, you need to find Clock app that's already on your Samsung and launch it. Then hit Alarm at the bottom left corner, and before creating a new one, use those three dots next to plus icon on the right. Select Settings, and now manage those three options. All of those can be managed for all of your alarms at once. Volume, you can set a different one for each alarm, or use same volume for all of them by picking it here. Go back, tap on Alarm Background and create it now for all of your new alarms, or create individual one for every one you will create. Wherever you decided to create a new background, click at the top left corner, choose Allow All, and either pick one of those, then hit Done, or create a custom one by choosing any photo from your gallery you like, and hitting Done at the top right corner. Now, click on Upcoming Alarm Notification and pick one of those options. Once you've finished adjusting all of those three sections, go back and create a new alarm thanks to this plus. Every new one will have all of those options applied, but the old one won't, like this one for example. Anyway, when I click on plus icon, I can adjust all of those options however I wish. Let's start with setting up an hour at the top. Now, pick days of the week by clicking on them, and choose alarm name by labeling your alarm over here. If you want to use all of those options, leave all of those switchers on. To disable any of them, click on the switcher until it's gray. To adjust all of them individually, click on Alarm Sound first. Choose Spotify or ringtone. Pick one of those and go back. Decide if you want to enable or disable those two features. And if you want to pick a song from your smartphone, use this plus at the top right corner and select it. You can even decide if you want to play selected highlights by operating this switcher. Then hit Done and go back. Now hit Vibration to pick one of those patterns or select Silent. Hit Snooze to decide how many minutes it will take or how many times it will repeat. You can even choose Custom over here. And last but not least, click on Alarm Background if you want to create one only for this alarm. Then choose Save. As you can see, my alarm was successfully created. To turn it on or switch it off, use this switcher. To make any changes to it, click on it, change whatever you wish and hit Save. To delete it though, hold it and tap on Delete at the bottom right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!